More money, more success, more validation. Why do people chase more when they have everything they could ever want? Because they're not tired from work, they're tired from chasing. That's not hunger, that's greed. Greed is not about money, it's about fear. Fear that what you have isn't enough. So you crave more and more and more. It's a constant craving for things, for praise, for power. And the more you feed it, the more it grows. People break trust to gain a temporary edge. They sacrifice health for short-term profit. They stop living and start collecting. Greed doesn't steal your money, it steals your peace. It tells your mind, happiness is later. But later never comes. Gita says desire leads to anger. Anger leads to delusion. Quran says, indeed, man is ungrateful to his Lord. Bible says, what good is it for someone to gain the whole world yet lose their soul? In psychology, greed activates the dopamine loop. The brain gets addicted to more, not to meaning. The solution is simple. Greed ends the moment gratitude begins. When people slow down and say, this is enough. Let me grow with peace, not chase in fear. The real success is not how much you hold, but how light your heart feels while holding it.